Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Nur Fadila binti Ajibtuddin. I'm a student from Dipuli program, and today I'm going to talk about Law 47. Do not go past the mark you aim in victory. Learn when to stop. Here is an insight of what I'm talking about. The table of contents. Number 1 will be content evaluation. Number 2 will be essence. Number 3 will be synopsis. Number 4, the positive side of law. And the last one will be negative side of law. Content evaluation. This chapter teaches about limits in life. From this chapter, it gives a guidance on how to proceed with life. Basically, it's setting a goal, making efforts to achieve the goal, and upon reaching the goal, it is time to stop. Examples given are during war times and related to politics, where people strive to gain power. Examples are related to major occurrence during wartime and how certain people makes effort to achieve their goals, and deciding when to stop makes a significant change in their lives. The essence of this law, I find a few points. Victory moment is the greatest peril. The heat of victory leads to arrogance and overconfidence to push beyond the goal. Going too far with victory makes more enemies. Set a goal, reach, and stop. Do not let success get into your head. Once victory gets in your head, you will develop a sense of greed, arrogance, and overconfidence. One person might be talented and bright, gaining success from one stage to another, but failure to stop will lead to damage rather than further success. The synopsis. This law comes with a few stories from history stating how failure to stop leads to disaster or even worse, death. Another story shows an example where knowing when to stop creates a better impression and help gain respect from others. Victory is a phase and the time will fade eventually, but the impression lasts longer or even better forever. Victory leads to power, hence often. After obtaining victory, people start to get greedy. The more successful you are, the more enemies you gain. Power has its own rhythm and patterns. Power is not just victory, but it's luck and circumstances. The positive side of this law. On one hand, an example shows how applying this law gains success. On the other hand, another example shows how failure to adhere this law leads to failure and elimination by death. Examples are taken from history during war times. The negative side of this law. No examples from current situations. Stories are not related to modern life situations. That's all from me. Thank you very much for listening.